In this video we show a dialog component with a map control on it, and we show how you can create a button to place a marker on the map. So you can see here when I click this button we put a marker on the map in 36 Bigelow Street in London. Then we animate the marker and then we display a callback complete message indicating that the marker has been placed. So let's go now and take a look at how we did that. So we'll start out by creating a brand new button. So let's go here to other controls and then button, and then let's go to the onClick event of this button. We'll switch over to text mode. We'll click on the insert dialog method. We'll type in addMarker, and then we'll select the addMarker method over here. Now this method basically specifies the name of the marker, the location of the marker, and then settings is a JSON object with a lot of different settings. So when we click here, we click insert, and then it says, would you also like to paste an example of the settings object? So I'm going to say yes. So the settings object here, you can see here's my JSON object that contains all of the different options for settings. They're all over here, and then here's the actual code that places the marker. So we want to get a pointer to the map called M1, and then we want to basically call our marker. We'll just call our marker M1, and we'll make our marker location 36 Bigelow Street, London, England. And now at this point we haven't set any of the marker settings, so we'll go ahead now and save it. Go into working preview, click the second button, and you can see that the marker has been placed, although you can't actually see it because we haven't brought the marker into view. So let's go back to design mode now, and then scroll down to the bottom, and now go and choose the command that actually brings the marker into view. So we'll go back and we'll say insert method, and we'll say view marker, and the marker that we would like to, we don't need to execute this command again because we already have a pointer to the map, so we'll just delete that. And the marker that we would like to view is marker number M1. So now let's go ahead and try this. So switch over there, click button number 2, and now you can see there's our map. We've brought the marker into view, but we don't have the animation and we don't have the click event, the after marker place event being called. So let's go back to design mode now again, and then we'll go over here, and now let's go and turn on, for example, the animation. So we'll say the number of milliseconds that we'd like to emphasize. So let's go here and type in, say, 2000 milliseconds. So that means the marker is going to now bounce for 2000 milliseconds after it's been placed. And then here's the onAddComplete, and we're going to just go here and type in alert marker was placed. So inside this function here we can also refer to marker settings and also the marker objects as well. So let's go ahead now and save it, and then go over to run mode again and then run it now. So there's our event that's being called. Now there's the marker, and you can see it bounced for 2 seconds over there. So every time you add a marker to the map, you can specify any of these settings in this JSON object and pass the settings in to your addMarker event. Thank you very much.